At this point, there's absolutely no doubt that Eric Bischoff is the most insufferable entity in all of pro wrestling. The old fart simply can't shut up and stop talking about All Elite Wrestling and Tony Khan. It all started when Tony Khan brought Eric Bischoff for one episode of AEW but didn't give him a permanent job there. Also, the fact that Tony Khan once took a shot at Ted Turner and WCW didn't sit well at all with Eric Bischoff. So what has happened now? Eric Bischoff made an appearance on WWE NXT last week. And lo and behold, WWE NXT did its worst rating in more than a year. Wrestling Twitter was abuzz with tweets about how Eric Bischoff's appearance resulted in a terrible NXT rating. And Bischoff noticed these tweets as well. So here's how this drama unfolded. A Twitter user posted a tweet. Eric Bischoff shows up and WWE NXT does its worst ratings in more than a year. Bischoff noticed the tweet and decided to chime in and ended up making a total clown of himself in front of wrestling fans on Twitter. And still beats AEW. Did you see the quarter hours? You should see the minute by minute numbers. Who in the blue hell was talking about All Elite Wrestling and Tony Khan here? Absolutely no one. People were talking about how Eric Bischoff showed up in NXT and it did terrible numbers rating wise. Instead of addressing how he is bad for business, Eric Bischoff couldn't help but bring up AEW in the conversation. Another fan chimed in, "You are obsessed with AEW, wow," and Eric Bischoff responded to them as well. Not at all. Like the majority of people who are interested in pro wrestling in general, I couldn't care less about AEW. What an absolute fucking clown. I couldn't care less about AEW, says Eric Bischoff, whose podcast garners lots of views on a weekly basis just because he trashes AEW and Tony Khan. Further, he said, "It's gone from being an exciting new opportunity to a promotion that was expanding yet going through growing pains, to a disappointment and now an embarrassment to the genre. I probably do get too much enjoyment out of effing with the IWC and the dirt sheet cage match nerds than I should. It's a never-ending journey into the depths of a delusional, bizarre subculture. Just when you think you've arrived at the bottom, you realize Clueless has a basement." Another fan chimed in and posted a headline about how Eric Bischoff came to NXT and gave it the worst rating in a long time. And Eric Bischoff again couldn't help but bring up AEW. And still outperforms the AEW A show while having a blast with the WWE Developmental C show. Congrats to all involved at the WWE Performance Center. Eric Bischoff at this point knows that talking trash about AEW will bring him money and clicks on social media. But it's incredibly sad to see him drifting in such a manner to make some quick bucks. People, wrestling fans on Twitter and Reddit rightfully called out the clown for again and again bringing up AEW while people were talking about how he is a ratings disaster, which was proved by his appearance on WWE NXT. So let's check out some of the reactions of wrestling fans on Reddit's Squared Circle subreddit to Eric Bischoff's clownish comments about All Elite Wrestling after his disastrous appearance on WWE NXT. I think he's intentionally trying to get people's goat. Bischoff has moved past annoying to kind of depressing. Imagine spending your retirement years having to make up beef with a company and a guy you used to be cool with because you already talked to death about the main time you were successful. Wasn't an article posted here saying this week was NXT's worst viewership in over a year? At least he doesn't hide anymore. What a clown. As with any Bischoff post, who gives a shit? Guy had a run almost 30 years ago and sucked since then, just grasping for any relevancy at this point. Guy has a hate boner for All Elite Wrestling. He needs to move on, bro. Eric, for the sake of NXT's ratings, stay away. He's so mad that Tony Khan didn't hire him. Why even mention All Elite Wrestling? AEW comes out of his mouth like Mahomes' name comes out of Chris Collingworth. They are both so obsessed, it's complete mental patient level. Isn't NXT on network television on a Tuesday and Dynamite is on cable on a Wednesday? What do they have to do with each other? Glad Eric is doing that victory lap when NXT apparently drew its lowest viewership in a year. Just stop giving this asshole clout he does not deserve. Eric's WCW is what made me a lifelong wrestling fan, and I will always be a huge apologist. That being said, the anti-AEW shtick is beyond tired. He is so bitter that Tony Khan won't invite him to the show anymore. He absolutely gushed over AEW. They stopped inviting him. All of a sudden, it's the worst piece of garbage show he's ever seen. Demo and viewership tanked, but hey, Eric Bischoff had a blast. That's more important, I guess. And when anyone involved in AEW claps back, they are the bad guys. God damn, I am so tired, Rene. I hope we collectively move away from this peasant grifter. Now let's check out some of the reactions that Eric Bischoff's comments garnered on wrestling Twitter. You tanked the demo, genius. Jesus, you are dense as hell. Might be time to have the dementia conversation. Can someone please put him to sleep? Listening to you is worse than not having Collision for a whole week. 0.17 to 0.13 big guy, NXT lost the demo, therefore the night. Maybe that's why you aren't in charge of promotions anymore, if you don't understand how TV industry works. You literally lost in the demo. Uno, the thing that's most important to advertisers. AEW also ranked higher on the night than you did. Don't try spinning this into a win. You aren't the draw you thought you were, old buddy, old fool. Your segment was down from the preceding and following segments, and Dynamite still beat you in the demo. AEW, a company you claim has no hope, beat you in the demo. Imagine being such a effing loser. You are claiming this as a win. Get a job. I will never get why you are so miserable, man. Like, it's embarrassing because as someone who's helped so much in this industry, you think you want all companies to succeed. Yet you come on an app and pander to a bunch of weirdos. It's so dumb, man. So you made NXT worse, just like you did killed WCW and ruined TNA. But oh goody, the show you were on beat your obsession despite you making it worse. Well done, Eric Bischoff. You have somehow made Russo seem like he was smarter than you. Eric, I found out recently how old you are, and my first question has to be, is this how you thought you would be spending your time by this point? Dynamite will outlast Nitro in 19 more weeks, lil bro. The wrestling industry has long moved on from their need to have you around anymore. AEW just got its TV deal 2 months ago. You couldn't even save WCW from going out of business 23 years ago. You're bragging about tanking a company, Eric, and I'm not talking AEW. This isn't a flex or a good look. Stop it, y'all. The last time he tanked TV ratings this bad, he was replaced with Vince Russo. Obviously, he's having some PTSD right now. Hi, Eric Bischoff. Go F yourself. Pro wrestling is back and good all around. Just because Vince kicked your ass in the 90s doesn't mean you have to kiss Triple H's. Go watch a New Japan show or CMLL show sometime. Eric, you're always a legend in the industry, but NXT coincidentally suffering its worst ratings when Eric Bischoff shows up is a meme-worthy funny. How anyone can take you seriously is beyond me. Being paid by one side to appear and promote shows while deriding the other company, and are we to believe you are unbiased and speaking for the good of the product? Laughable. It's still crazy how Eric keeps AEW in his mouth, shaking my head. Still mad that his run didn't go as long. You are supposed to be helping wrestling at this point in your life. Instead, your selfishness continues. Let it go. If you hate Tony, tag him. No reason to trash the company. Those men and women kill themselves for our entertainment. 69 years old gloating about an awful rating for both companies. What the hell is this timeline?